Hei voina hianin naktukha Coronation Day turania chungten ye wang chuan voin atangin nimin atang te khan chen chu an lo riak lut to a chuan voin jing atanga ron tan le te pon om ta a chuan zanjin zan khua in helai huna hian anom dona te chuan naktukha Coronation March kha helai konga hian kongpuya hian lo mu phanin do wanga helai huna hian ron ria chilan ni ti kha kan soile loka in hei helai putar teng te hi Australia atanga local ani King Charles te tin khun queen te aza zia te angai san zia te asoi kha chuan chuan alomom khop mai hetiang ti thaya lal ngai sang tu kan la nei kan ro pui zia hi ta hian ka ti chian o me Buckingham Palace lu na chia mai aget chunga hian happy and glorious ti kha an lo tar kul maya mitam takin thla an lak pui nge ani tin chutei rol chuan voin hi van klak devin Katie William Prince Charles King Charles turkha anron kala public te chibai buk na te anron na ya tiang chuan naktuk a khan a hun ro pui ni to don wang khan voina aron visit kwalvel anron visit kwalvela anti thak khop mai amazing. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been here?
Since this morning.
Since this morning.
Since this morning. I'll be here until it's over.
Okay, where are you from?
Florida.
Sorry?
Florida.
Florida. I see. All the way along from Florida. That's very nice. I hope you have a lovely time.
Thank you very much
Thank
indeed.
you.
I appreciate that.
Yes,
Thank you.
really good.
Yeah.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
Where are you from?
North Wales.
North Wales. I
North
see. When
Wales.
did you came here?
Lunchtime today.
Last time today. So you're going to a whole night?
All night, yes.
All night. So
Yeah.
that's very nice. Very nice. I hope you have a lovely time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a good place as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Good. Well done. Hey, North Wales sa tangte, Florida tangte. Unchang tangin nan local. Oh, tiang chan. Excuse me. Where about you? Where are you from?
Staffordshire.
Staffordshire. This morning you turn up here or
This afternoon.
this afternoon?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so you're going to be whole night
night,
tonight.
yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You do such a wonderful thing for the king, isn't it? Yeah, well done. Well done.
Where are you from?
We are from Mizoram, Northeast India.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh, how wonderful. Have you come specially for the...
No, not really. I'm living in this country.
Oh, right.
Well done. Have a lovely time.
Huh?
Have a lovely time.
And you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. ติคานมุนช่างอันตรงนั้นนี่ให้รัวพอสุดพอน้าเตะตัวนั้นเตะอันกัลเงี้ยอ่ะ unbelievable soให้ที่อย่างที่อันรอนin prepare ด้านนี้ให้น้าปังแต่พออันกัลนี่ขาย very nice all the groups yeah preparing that's Scotland is it oh Scotland นะจังเตะจนเฮล่ะฮีa group in an omboka wow King Charles the Third yes he group and tunga yeah you look everyone looks so beautiful where you from by the way where are you from London oh well you start from today this link it's a whole night you're going to be here it's amazing wow King should be very pleased
I hope so.
yes yeah exactly they say it's going to be rain tomorrow so you prepare everything umbrella everything okay what a wonderful thing so have a lovely time lots of love bye byeติคานลอนดอนมุนามีปอเทนขัดจุติคานอันโลอมเรงอะไรhello where you come from Wales where about in Wales Swansea wow when did you turn up here this morning so how long are you going to be until tomorrow
Yes.
wow this is so whole night tonight you're going to sleep here
And yes, we've got our laylaws.
wow
We get sleeping bags.
yes that's amazing okay have a lovely time thank you so much thank you can take a picture here I meet thank you North Wales at South Swansea at ang local ni They come from Swansea.
England.
From me?
Essex.
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 Essex. Okay.
Southend-on-Sea.
How far is it from here?
Oh, how far is it? An hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Okay, so you came. That,
We're from Shropshire.
I hope you don't mind. How old are you? If I'm asking.
71.
That's amazing. I'm proud of you to come forward to the coronation. This is amazing, and Queen and the King should be very pleased. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. So you're going to be whole night. You are ready. That's amazing. Hope you have a lovely time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's amazing. Yeah, the can hear like they them too. Hey, hey, han hlut ta ni tang khan in chu theo me. Hey, ten chu nau te. Ten shuaya. Chan he la hian a group in anom boka mun sang. Hello. May I ask where you come from?
Scotland.
Scotland. That's a beautiful dress you're wearing too. It suits you. Yeah. Anyway, when did you arrive?
Oh, only about an hour ago.
Okay, so you're going to be here whole day, whole night? That's amazing.
Friends here.
Yes. All your friend here. Is a family friend.
Friend of the family.
That's beautiful. Very nice of you. Yeah, so you came for just because of tomorrow, that coronation, isn't it? Amazing thing to do. So King and Queen should be very pleased to hear. Isn't it?
They will be.
Nice.
They asked me to come.
Yes.
So.
I hope you have a lovely time, everyone. Hope you have a lovely time. Cheers. Bye-bye. Thank you. Unbelievable. It's so good. Look at this. He had the hit here. Bamboo. Tihan attend Data. Attend Scotland. Attend Wales. Attend Essex. Where about from you?
England,
England. Where about in England?
Sussex,
Sussex.
on the coast,
How far from here?
2 hours.
2 hours to drive. That's amazing. So you're going to stay whole night today?
Yes.
That's amazing. You did very well. 3 of you? 3 of you. Very nice.
How long are you here for?
I'm here for a long time.
Oh,
So I just wonder how many people turn up here and how do they came and where they came along. All these things. That's very nice. Hope you have a lovely time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice to talk to you. Bye bye. That's amazing, people. Lamate. And zela so the son kan mong khan. So slice so cute ito ah. So get pui khan ito ni. Lani. So he la hianin ang la umboka. So la hian flagman. An beya group. Van Clark takin William Katie Ka hetila ma hian chibai buk na mi puite anron na ya achan chu nak to kha heti ang hian hun an nei man mel to lova voina hian mi puite za na anron tilanga chibai anron buka mi puiten hlim em ani an lo selfie pui boka thenin teng chuan tin ke ti hi apolai tin azei azang khai em mi pui lom a hlo em bok ani ti kha ka sei du a tin William po afela chuan apa hi aside le lama hianin mi pui chibaina alo nei ve boka tiang chuan Buckingham Palace hi voin chu in prepare na kan tirwal khan mi pui tam tak anron kala naktu ka mi tur khan an bung ruwa an mut bu te anron kinga tiang chuan tombu nen kan muang khan in sia a alun don hle in lo angel don ne naktuk lama te po life in anron pe ang kalome he tilam hi kan ba kian life at sa kom kom mai kai turu top meeting ang local tana kina pejan naktu ajan turu don to ka mai tu na local reng to local mi pai mo lo ka chan tan to lo hi sona kabula hi you from Kent.
Yeah, David.
Hi Govern Kent tanga local ania 2 hours drive ania but naktu ka hian King crown ka coronation ka mangturin aron kala zaina hian ain line na an riak don ani chu good luck
Lovely,
for
thank
tomorrow.
you.
Thank you. Yan hi ka kem bitro into note te mo fruit dito. May. Takan eh. We've got a tent now. Okay, so.
Then go and say, thank you very much, troops. And then they get out.
Missing.
Right, everyone's spoiled. Chloe, you have to do that again. Charlotte, can you do that again? Charlotte. Maybe people drink.
People have been doing it all day.
That man's bringing you red wine.
Mày nó cầm mép khóc mày sơ sơ sao con hụt tông khán in cầu đủ vàng rồi kêu anh can chứ chuan chung anh tôm tỏa anh mất là anh chỉ là mà khi anh động không có Chang lama queue. Oh my god. Sweet little pups is so sweet.
Sorry? Yeah. Hi there.
Can I ask you a couple of very quick questions?
Okay.
So when did you arrive?
At lunchtime.
And are you going to sleep here tonight?
Probably in the chair.
Wow.
But I don't think we'll sleep. No.
Are you excited?
Yes.
And can I ask you why are you so excited?
It's a historic occasion. Once in a lifetime. I'll never see anything like this again. And the atmosphere is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
What do you think of King Charles? What kind of king will he be?
I think he'll be pretty good. Yes. He's got some interesting.
Yeah, go on. Unique, right?
You think it's anything really new? Oh my god, that's groundbreaking, isn't it? Must be great fun listening to the whole amount of wisdom.
Oh, I know. Now everybody stands up because they think there's something.
Yeah, no. Oh, they do. Every now and then you get. I never spot them, but you see Prince Charles. These people would spot like at 40 miles an hour. I don't know how they do it. Oh my god, that was William. Oh my gosh, was it? It was a Range Rover, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When did you start this painting?
About 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
I think so,
Wow,
yeah.
This is really nice.
That was very kind.
It's beautiful. May dar som pagkadatangan kanya. Una and dar beautiful. So lalga one of blood.
Yeah, that's somebody. We don't
Yeah,
know
we
who
have.
though.
We did see him. The king came back earlier on.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he's waiting for everybody.
Just in a regular.
In a Range Rover, but not black out.
Columbia Bonnet. It's also. Oh, brilliant. Have you seen? I feel written up.
Hello. Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from London, but I grew up in Asia.
Oh, okay. So how long did you take to come here?
Okay. Not long, but we've been here since 12 a.m.
Oh, okay. So you're going to stay for whole night today?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Come from now.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Have a lovely time.
Bye-bye.
How long have you been here?
A couple of hours.
Hours, yeah? When did you arrive from? I mean, where from?
We're from Sheffield.
Sheffield. Wow. So you're going to stay whole night today?
Yes,
With
we
the
are.
children?
Absolutely.
Are you ready? Yeah? Wow.
Super
It's
excited.
amazing. This is going to be the first time for Coronation, isn't it? Yeah, that's really good. Really good to be here today. So, hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You too.
thank you, thank you.
Maybe the people that will pass through from Liverpool take the pictures of the lady.
Special bus. Hello, hello. You're facing the wrong way. Oh, I tried to tell you. Ito peng karon kalbe kim kimang somi.
And there's like ice cream there.
Oh, really?
It's America. Take your photos. I hope you get a nice film.
Well, my glasses started.
So I'm ready. Delighted to see you. Camilla moving. Oh, we're starting it off.
And British Cheng Cheng Khum mày lại chưa? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Essex sau hi an tam khop mày. Essex sa tanga local hian tam ani.
Yeah, all long family and friends. Family and friends, yeah.
How long have you been here?
We got here about 6 o'clock this morning.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you're going to be whole night tonight?
Yes.
Wow, exciting.
Yeah,
isn't
no
it?
tents. We're just in our chairs
Oh no.
and an umbrella.
No, just umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope
That's
you have
it.
a lovely time tomorrow.
Thank you.
Even today. Thank
Thanks.
you. Bye bye.
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 We asked for 3 people for a photo. So when all I don't mind.
Amazing.
Are you working for any?
No, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
that's why.
I see. Okay. Enjoy the.
Thank you so much. So here is a group. Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture of you.
Turu top ani etian. Dan khua in rek do na ni. It's a young group.
I've been here about.
I'm all enthusiastic still.
I've been here 45. We put the tents up, we've got the crowns. We're waiting for our friend Jeff to come. We've left him space for his tent.
Tam takin dahan mo ka. And pero tapos. Interview natin kay ngarang bukan TV lang ite. CNN te, le BBC te po niya.
We're on early edit.
I can.
Unless I can change tomorrow.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much.
Bitter toys. Doon na yung Prince William, local meka. Si Prince William. Kaka-kaking. Champagne om tagan abahan British Velvet.
Okay, so I've always been interested in royal families. Always loved, admired, respected the late Queen, and I've been to quite a few events. And so, because it's the coronation, I thought I really had to come and witness it myself.
Okay, I really like your outfit. How did you come with that idea?
I'm with a friend of mine, and we both decided that we'd come dressed in the red, white, and blue because we thought we wanted to be patriotic and join the celebration.
Okay, perfect. What are your expectations for tomorrow?
We're expecting to see the members of the royal family go to Westminster Abbey in the procession, and then we're hoping to see them when they come back afterwards. We should see.
Yeah, good, thanks. Yeah, enjoying the sun? Oh, really? Yeah, lovely. Yeah. Where have you travelled down from today? Keep fine.
Michael, join you when they get back.
Leggings of and the legs cup, right? Three and ready lang cup, right? Vietnam coffee. It's noisy, man. How long have you been painting this?
I started yesterday afternoon.
You start from yesterday?
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
And I was a different position, and that's really confusing me.
Okay. But they're really good. It's good.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I would have been wrong before. When's your birthday?
Kay hi pakat na kanin nila. Ito na sa police house. Here we are. Are you ready to sleep?
I am.
Oh yeah. From now on, so you are inside. So where you come from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This morning or this afternoon?
Today, yeah.
So you're going to stay whole night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a lovely time.
Thank you.
Good luck. Good luck. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
People are nice.
dressing up.
Yeah, we're the same outfit. Pretend she didn't see it. Alright. No, that's alright. You're going to speak to
Hi, King.
Are you here all night?
Pardon?
Are you here all tonight? Are you staying here? Or
Yes,
you...
we're just going to stay there.
Don't let you up there.
Well, we're going to try. We've come. We came. We've got a place in a hotel, but we're not staying. They give us our breakfast to bring here.
Okay.
And we'll stay because at 5 in the morning I'm hoping we'll get to the front.
Did you get close?
I don't know. The people have got it.
ที่เทรนตะปอคนละมันลางแล้ววะ Miking อันเตนี่ Yeah, it's very good.
I don't know. Whoa.
So what happens tomorrow then? Do you have to clear the tent?
Yeah, where do you go tomorrow?
4 o'clock in the morning. David's coming to take some of us, yeah.
4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, left 10 actually.
Oh, lovely.
And then we went on to.
Same type of thing.
Well, after leaving school, she then.
So one of the things I want to do with this one maybe is like people are sectioning off their area, they're putting tape down, you know, that's just kind of touching.
Have you been like enthusiastic most of your life from your parents?
Our parents, mum's always loved the Queen Mother with the horses because we love the horse racing. We're Irish family and you know we love the horse racing.
Where again did you travel from?
I've only come from I'm from Wembley. I'm just Wembley. Come very far.
What do you hope to see tonight?
I'm just hoping to get a glimpse.
I think you will.
I hope so. I hope so. The weather seems to be holding out anyway. They say it's going to be quite nice tomorrow. It looks like it's okay.
Nice umbrella. Going on the back. That's really good. Thì tiếng quan Zunin tập bộ public tan thì con là xem với cái này, mình thì phải khóc máy.ส่วน security เฮียใช้ไหมมาไปมันอ่ะปอด duty อันนั้นแบบนี้ให้จูจัดทตัวนี้นี่จันลำนี่มินลำมาตรงเส้นนั้นตรงกลางตัวส่วนส่วนอันหาตัวมุดเทน่าเพียงอันมุดตัวไม่นี่ Yeah.
I'm living in East London. And my brother speaks Farsi for his time in the army. And he came down just to have a few pints with us. And he went to a shop.
Early this morning.
Early this morning. Okay, so where from?
Australia.
Australia. Very nice. Very nice.
This Australian
That
flag.
is Australian flag. So you came here all the way long for this?
For the coronation.
Coronation. Amazing. That is wonderful to hear. So
Well, I think the king is a
King
very good-
and the Queen should be very pleased if
Yeah,
they hear it, you know.
She
helped me
Yes.
in my life
Yes.
because she launched a historical expedition of tall ships that I organised,
Oh,
and she launched it
okay.
when we were in England.
Okay.
She gave us the official launching for us to put to sea and sail from England to Australia
That's amazing.
for the 200th anniversary of Australia.
Yeah.
We reenacted
Yes.
a voyage that served Australia from Britain
Okay.
200 years afterwards, and she launched it.
Amazing, isn't
And
it?
she gave a speech, and she met me, and so I owe her a big favour.
Okay.
And her son was very helpful too.
Yes.
I was at school with him.
It's Prince Charles. Oh, no, it's
Prince
King
Charles.
Charles now, isn't it?
King Charles.
Yeah.
But he was a prince then.
Exactly, that day, yeah. So you've been to school with him?
Yes, that's right.
Amazing. Which one is that? Which school is it?
It's in Australia. It's
Okay.
called Geelong Grammar.
Wow, that's amazing.
And Geelong Grammar has a special school
Yes.
in the mountains
Yeah,
with all the forests and the trees.
that's
And
amazing.
that's called Timber Top.
Yeah.
And that's where he was. And that's where I was too.
That's very interesting. So, are you pleased about his going to be a king now?
Of course.
Yes.
Because he's a greenie,
Yes.
an environmentalist.
Yes.
He's trying to save the planet.
Yes, that's right.
He's
You're
trying
right.
to save the trees,
Save the tree,
stop pollution,
keep the green.
stop oil and gas
Yes.
production and
That's really
coal
good.
mining.
So he
he's
should
trying
be.
to save our planet.
Yeah, he should be a good king, isn't it?
He'll be a very good king.
Very good king. How about the Camilla?
She's fine.
She's fine,
Yeah,
yeah.
because she loves him.
Oh, good. That's really good, isn't
And
it?
he needs help.
Yes.
He needs love.
Exactly. I agree. So, lovely to talk to you. I hope you enjoy the day. And this evening you're going to stay here.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep
Wow, that's great.
That's
So,
easy.
so hope you enjoy tomorrow.
here. Yeah, thanks. I think
Lovely talk to you.
I'm one of many millions of people
Yeah.
who worship the monarchy of the king, and we are happy because this is a good news event.
Yes.
The rest of the news is the Russian war in Ukraine,
Yes.
pandemics,
Yes.
earthquakes,
Yes.
war in the Sudan,
Yes.
and suddenly there's a big news event that's
Wow. Really nice. Thank you so much. Lovely to talk to you. And I love your hat.
it's from Australia.
Is it from Australia? May I try one time?
Yeah, it's called a kubra.
Try. Can try one?
Kubra.
It's look beautiful.
Where are you from?
I'm from Northeast India, Mizoram.
Ah,
Yeah. Let me check. Am I good or not in this?
yeah, look, you look
One
good.
minute. Oh, here you are. Look, look. Here we are together. Yes, I'm good, isn't it? Not bad.
Yeah,
Okay.
and so, yeah, look.